Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are back with our end of day report. As you know, tomorrow is Take Back Friday. So let's take a look at what's going on and what we can expect from these markets because it's going to be interesting. Some interesting things have happened, but I want to point out to you the obvious. All right. So we're going to state the obvious on some of this. All right. Here we go. So the first chart here is a chart of the Bitcoin futures. And as you can see, we're hitting new weekly highs. You're in a bullish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading. So this one is all systems go to the long side, right? You see that now. So I know everyone's excited about the Bitcoin. Next up is silver. Silver's in a bullish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading, hit a new weekly high. So silver's wide open. And the next upside target is around $27.50 to $28 an ounce in silver. So silver looking very strong right now. Next up is nat gas, still in a bear market, still in a bearish environment, still has a bearish trend momentum reading, and we just hit a new 52-week low. And that came right after the crash alert that I gave you in the prior video, and we got the downside production. I think it's on its way to a $1.50. Next up is the Dow futures. So the Dow futures is in a bullish environment, and even after today's rally, we still have a bearish trend momentum reading. That has not changed. All right, so you're in a bullish environment, which means that the market can relock in at any moment. All it has to do is lock in, and it can do it at any moment. All right, so FYI on that one, but we are still in sell the rally mode. Still in sell the rally mode, even after all of this. And in addition to that, we got the bank earnings starting tomorrow. So will the market be able to lock in? Will the bull market be able to relock itself back in and reclaim the market and take out the 35,000 highs? Can we get a 1,000 plus, maybe 1,500 point rally coming in the market? It's possible. You know, the plunge protection team can turn on the printing presses and they can start buying securities and propping the market up. Anything's possible, but even if it does come up here, if this does not change, it's gonna be disastrous. Just FYI, moving forward. Next up is the NASDAQ 100. We're in a bullish environment, but we still have a bearish trend momentum reading. All right. Even with the rally, you're still not going anywhere. You're still not going anywhere. All right. Think about this as we're moving forward. Next up, you have gold. Gold is in a bullish environment, and we have a bullish trend momentum reading. So just like silver now, it's wide open. All right. Gold is now wide open. We had this positive bot check. We got that big explosion higher. So the bot check played out. Way to go, PulseWaves. Gold and silver is wide open. We just hit a new 52-week high in gold. The S&P 500. All right. So the S&P 500. Now, interesting thing here. The system has updated itself and has now revealed that all along we've been in a neutralized market. And it's been in a bear market, but the whole thing's been neutralized. The system updated itself to show neutralization is what we've been dealing with. And it makes sense because the market hasn't gone anywhere. All right. This market hasn't gone anywhere since February of this year. Okay. But something unique happened in today's rally. You crossed over to a bull market environment today. But you also got a crash alert. So once the market comes off of alert, we'll see what happens. All right. Once it comes off neutralization, we'll see what happens. But for now, it is looking like it may turn over once this thing comes off neutralization. So very interesting turn of events happening in some of these markets. Taking a look at oil. Oil is in a bearish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading. And today we just got a neutralized alert with a crash alert. So we'll have to wait and see. Is oil topping out here? We'll see what happens when it comes off of neutralization. But I think that this one's going to be ready to do something and do something big once it comes off neutralization. The last time it came off neutralization and had a big move was back down here on the week of March the 20th. And then prior to that, we had it back here the week of January the 23rd of this year. All right. So big moves normally do follow when you come off a neutralized situation like that. Okay. So just FYI on that. All right. Next up, we got, let's see here, the Russell. So the Russell's in a bearish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading, but you're really not going anywhere. You're just really in this range. Now you had this positive bot check. You got your upside explosion. And it could still go to the bottom of the Kumo cloud, upside target around the 1850 mark. So we'll see what happens. As long as this stays green, then, pullbacks and dips are going to be bought. So we had a rally alert coming into today, but the market did not get any upside production. So we'll see what happens with the Russell, but it's really not participating. It's the weakest of the stock indices at the moment. US dollar index is in a bearish environment. All right. And that has not changed. And now we have a red trend momentum reading. Red trend momentum reading in your dollar. And the dollar is starting to drop. The 101 did not hold, people. We dropped below 101. We went to par 84. So the 101 failed, and now the market is in a free fall status. So that should help the euro to explode higher. Looking at the Ethereum futures, you're in a bullish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading. You hit a new weekly high. This is wide open. So gold, silver, Bitcoin, and Ethereum are all wide open. All right. So those are definitely longs. You're looking for an opportunity to get long those four markets. All right. So tomorrow we should have enough of a pullback where you can get in come Sunday night, and we'll be doing that. All right. So with that being said, remember the system works if you work with the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And with that being said, smash that like button. And I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. I'm out. Peace.